During a scouting football trial, Peter throws the ball the following distances: 44 yards, 43 yards, 45 yards, 53 yards, then 44 yards. If Peter wants to eventually impress coaches to try to get a scholarship, which of the following mean, median, or mode will he want to record as his average distance? So for this question, using this set of data, we need to find the mean, the median, and the mode. And then whichever one gives us the greatest number, we want to use to record his average distance. So let's first start off by finding the mode. We know that the mode is the number that appears most. So taking the set of data, let's arrange them in order. We first have 43 yards, then we have 44, then we have 44 yards again, 45 yards, and then 53 yards. So taking the mode, we need to find the number that appears the most. Well, every number appears once except for 44, which appears twice. So, therefore, the mode is going to be 44 yards. So now that we found the mode, let's find the mean. To find the mean, it's the same as taking the average. So we have to add up all these values and then divide it by the number of values that we added. So we want to add 44 yards plus 43 yards plus 45 yards plus 53 yards plus 44 yards, and then divide that by the number of values that we're adding together. Well, we're adding 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 values. So therefore, we're going to divide this by 5. Adding the top numbers all together, we get a total of 229, and then we have to divide that by 5. 229 divided by 5 gives us 45.8 yards. As you can see, this answer is already greater than our mode, so we would rather use our mean than our mode to get a better representation of his data. But we still have to find out the median to see if it is any better. So to find the median, we want to take these numbers and line them up from smallest to greatest. So again, we have 43, 44, 44, 45, and then 53. And then with this set of values, we have to find the middle number. To find the middle number, we take the number that has the same number of digits before it, then after it. So as we can see, this 44 is going to be our middle number, because we have 2 values before it and 2 values after it. So therefore, our median is 44 yards. So looking at this, we found our mode to be 44 yards, our mean to be 45.8 yards, and our median to be 44 yards. So that means we would want to pick our mean of 45.8 yards as a representation of his data, because we can see that this number gives the largest average distance.